Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. How about let's make some taco wings? Yes, you heard that right. We are going to make this one ingredients taco wings using an air fryer. This is super delicious, perfect for Taco Tuesday or perfect for the game day. I hope you're going to like this video. Let's begin. What I have here is some chicken wings meat. These are from Costco. A total of 2 packs, which gives you about 24 to 26 chicken wings. Just simply pat that dry. It's very important that make sure you remove as much water as possible on those meat. Put this in a bowl and add a little bit of olive oil, and just simply mix that together. And we're using this taco seasoning. I like this one because it's not too salty. It's 25% less sodium, and also it's gluten-free. All you have to do is mix this, make sure that the seasoning are well distributed. That's it. All you need is this one ingredients, and I could tell you right now, you're going to enjoy this recipe. Place this, cover this with a lid and place this in the refrigerator. Good if you have this in the fridge for overnight, or an hour will be fine. Now, after about an hour, we're ready to cook this chicken wings. This is so easy and super delicious. I just simply spray the basket with a little bit of oil so this wings is not gonna stick into the basket, even though it says non-stick. I highly advise to spray it with some non-stick oil. Simply place the wings into the basket like what I'm doing right here. I was able to fit at least 18 chicken wings. And now that's all set. Put the rest of the wings back in the fridge and cook that later on. We're going to put this in the air fryer unit. I like this air fryer. Simply push that chicken icon and it gives you 390 degrees. Cook this for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to flip this on the other side. And then once that is done, place this back in a unit. Cook for another 390 degrees for 5 minutes. Then after that, here you go. This actually smells good as well. It smells like tacos. It's so delicious. I was so impressed how these wings turned out. Just simply one ingredients. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Simply place this on your serving plate. I just simply place this in a bowl. Top with this either cilantro, which what I did. This wings turns out really good. It's crispy in the outside and moist in the inside. My family loved this wings and I can't believe how it turned out. Again, top it with your favorite toppings. I top it with cilantro and the inside is cooked to perfection. Thank you everyone for watching. Please come back and see us. Subscribe to our channel. Share this video. Thank you everyone. We'll see you next time. Ciao.